5 Chrome extensions that I use every single day, and they all are really, really useful things. Okay, so the first one is like Undistracted, hide Facebook and YouTube feeds. So when you're just really working, you really want to keep focus. So that time these this Chrome extension are gonna really help you a lot. Let me show you how many social they have. Right now they have Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, a lot of social media platform they have. So you can really block them, or if you want to like hide in a specific portion, you can do it for being focused. For in my case, as you can see, some of them for YouTube, I'm not blocking like entire thing, but I just blocking little things so that I can really get focused myself. Next one is like font ninja. So if you're just visiting any kind of website, you want to see like which font they're right now using, how many size, spacing, all of this, you can just do it by using this Chrome extension. If you just search on Google like fonts ninja Chrome extension, then you will get it. Also, it's have a similar something. It's called WhatFont, like WhatFonts, kind of like both a similar like extension. You could really try this. I try both of these. Sometimes I use for Ninja, sometimes WhatFont, both really well. Next one is like Toby. It's a tab management tool. Mostly what happens if I show you then as you can see, when you're just gonna open in a Chrome browser, then you will get to see something like this. All of the tab will be on this right side, and you can just hook it in here. Just pin it here. So whenever you're just going to click on, then it will be redirect on a specific page. It's kind of like a bookmark, something like this. As you can see, this is the bookmark, but they have some more extra feature. You can just like manage your bookmarks in a different way, and it's really, really easy to get access. So I definitely recommend you to try this tool. They have also free and paid plan, but I think as it's starting, free is really good. And they have an emails connection system. So if you are using multiple browser, then it's automatically sync if you just switch the browser then. Next is like GoFullPage, like full page screen capture. This is really, really useful extension because if you're a designer, you can understand like when you're just going to design a before and after, we really need a before design. So we can easily take a screenshot for using this one, like a full entire page, and then you can just copy paste it from this. And it's a free, and it's also a paid plan, like if you want to do edit. But I think as a free, it really works well. You can export PNG, you can export PDF, whatever you want, you can do it using this one. And next one is like mobile simulator, and this is like responsive testing tool. So they have a lot of responsive screens. If you just see here, a lot of screen there. Also, if you need any kind of like taking a screenshot of the specific phone, then just copy paste it. They have this ability. Also, you can like try or test in different screen from here. So previously I used like responsive another tool, another extension, but recently I tried using this one, and this is really awesome, and it really works fine because it can take a screenshot, you can see responsiveness, everything you can do with only one extension. So that's it, the 5 Chrome extension that I use every single day. Let me know what you think about, or if you have any list of Chrome extension that you just use daily basis. Can you please just comment there, like all of the list that you feel like some more useful Chrome extension. I will definitely check and reply.